We're looking at the Piranha Fingerling automatic knife. This one is a desert camo finish, it's called. Brown, basically, kind of a gold. Shiny, but not too shiny. The handle on this particular knife is 6061 T6 anodized aluminum. And it's a nice anodized job. I talked in one of my other videos about this series of knives, the Magnums, Boker Magnums. And I really like these knives, as I said, even though I gave them a lot of criticism. But the anodizing job, I don't know, not very good. This, I mean, that stuff is hard. I mean, me and my wife have both been playing around with this, dropping it, carrying it, shoving it in and out of our pockets, and it still looks like brand new, so nice job on that. The blade on this is 154 cm. It's a 2.6 inch blade, drop point, you can see, and that is a sharp little point. This is definitely not a workhorse knife. This is more of a, you could use it for everyday carry. I think it's, you know, automatics, there's always that problem of scaring the sheeple with it, but to me it's more of a very small, quick self-defense knife. I bought it mainly so my wife could carry it if she wanted. I've stuck it in my pocket a few times. I just love it. The pocket clip, incidentally, is titanium, which is a nice little touch. Aluminum handle, titanium clip. I store a lot of my knives on the side of my safe. I'll do a video on that sometime with rare earth magnets, so they just, this one won't do that. You can stick it on there on the blade like that, but I don't really want to mash it up too much if I don't have to. Overall length is 6 inch. So it's just a nice little knife. This thickness is 0.375 inches, so it's a pretty thin knife. Compare it to the Zing here. Pretty similar. The weight's what gets me, that 1.8 ounce weight. Just crazy. Super light. I mean, you can just barely feel this thing at all. And of course, the deployment, if you've ever handled one of these, I'm sure you've watched other videos on it, it's just wicked fast.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Doing a video.
Oh, sorry to interrupt you.
It's okay, I'll be there in a sec. The edges stayed real nice. I really haven't used this a lot though. Like say, to me it's more of a backup self-defense knife or when you want something really small. Overall I really love it, but I guess it's part of it is, as Nut and Fancy calls it, the second type of cool. It's just cool. It's just fun to hold, to play with, to deploy. I mean, that thing has got a really strong spring on it for such a small knife. I'm sure you can hear it in the video even when it closes. It just clamps shut. Really like it a lot. Made my wife this little holder because in her purse she doesn't like it just jangling around, so I made this. It's like the body glove type material. She can just shove it in there. She likes it tip up, so she likes this up here. She can just pull it out like that. And you could do that in your pocket too, I guess, but use the clip as well. So anyway, overall, like it a lot. Nice knife. Kind of more of a show knife, I guess. A fun knife to have. It's so thin, light, small. Costs about $120, I think, so not cheap. But definitely it shows, the price shows in the quality and the overall design.